Hello all. So now we'll be learning about the abstract class in C++. So abstract class is always a base class and it has at least one pure virtual function, and we cannot create instance of the abstract class. So what is a pure virtual function? A pure virtual function is a function with no body and not defined in the base class. So the syntax is virtual void function name and equal to 0. Okay. So a derived class must override the function, else the compiler throws error. And it is up to the derived class to implement the function. Into IO stream using namespace std. I have a class arithmetic inside the public section. I have two variables A and B, and this is the pure virtual function. I'm assigning the value for the function num as 0. Okay, and here I am going to declare another function to get the value for A and B. So again, I am declaring another subclass for the class arithmetic. Okay, here inside the public, I am defining the void num, the function. Here I am just adding the, I am subtracting the values for A and B, and I am just going to display the answer. Okay. Going to have an object, yes, for the subtract class. Here I am calling the functions value and num. Okay. Yes. So I'm saving it as abstract.cpp. G++ abstract.cpp -o abstract. This is the line to compile the code. I am just executing it by calling the executable file. I'm just entering the values for A and B, which is 6 and 5. And after the subtracting the number 6 and 5, we are getting the answer as 1. Okay. Hope you're all clear with the concept of pure virtual function and abstract class. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.